Hey yo, hey guys, how you doing? It's Eddie. Hey man, well, I'm just kind of hanging today and chilling out, but I thought I'd do this little video for you guys, and it's about the Rewards and Recognition Committee, because there are some people out there, you know, that are working really hard and doing some great things for clients in the firm, and they deserve to be rewarded and recognized for those outstanding performances. So what I thought I'd do, I was hoping, it's like, I want to be part of this committee. I thought maybe I would do a little audition, you know. Normally I'm kind of hanging out, jamming on something, you know. That's not going to work very well for this. So anyways, I'm gonna turn that little puppy down and pick up my little other axe over here and do a song for you about this Rewards and Recognition Committee, because I think this is going to be like my audition, because I want to be part of this thing. So I hope you can hear this okay. It's pretty loud. Like, wow, dude, I can't sing that loud. Anyways, so you might recognize the tune. I ripped that off, but I wrote the words. So anyways, I hope that you enjoy this, and I hope that the Rewards and Recognition team enjoys it too. So anyways, here we go. I really want to be on the committee that is the bomb, 'cause it sure was what it means. Here we go. God damn. Fucking A. Alright, here we go. Alright, here we go. It's getting crazy. Oh my God, what a sight. Anyway, serious as hell this time. Alright, here we go. Almost got through it. Oh, there we go. Check it out. That tape's still rolling. Can't see through these fucking glasses. Alright, here's my little audition for you guys. I really want to be on this team, man. So check it out.